This signal gave me over 1000%, and I'm going to show you exactly how I took it. Most crypto DJs keep searching for a coin to buy that will give them 100, 1000%. But lately, the signals that I've shared have been delivering some of the strongest returns that I've seen. Last week alone, we dropped 14 signals. Only 3 of them ended in a loss. If you had risked $200 per trade, you could have made about $6,344 that week based on real trades we took together. And I post signals almost every single day. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to trade my signals step by step on Weex. Now, one thing I like about Weex is that it allows stacking of trades. In other words, I can use the same capital to take multiple trades at the same time, thereby maximizing the efficiency of my capital. And I'll show you exactly how it is done. In addition, you also get to learn the strategy behind my high probability setups, my personal risk management process that keeps my losses small, and how to qualify for official Weex airdrops and bonuses of up to $30,000 depending on your eligibility. So to follow along, make sure to create your free Weex account using the link in the description of this video. Using that link in the description also ensures your free access to my private signal channel and secures your spots for my upcoming $10,000 to Christmas trading challenge starting on the 1st of September. Now, if you click on that link and the page does not load, simply switch on your VPN. All right, let's open the Weex app to start the step-by-step process. So this is the Weex homepage. At the bottom menu, you can see home. What all the things you see here is in the home. The next menu is the market. You have the futures where you take your futures trade. The next one is trades where you take your spot trades, followed by assets. This is where you have your money. In the assets section, you see menu above. The overview shows you all the money you have in your futures account, and the accounts are segmented into 3: futures for taking futures trade, sports for spot trade, and funding is where when you send money to your Weex accounts, that is where you receive it to. Now above, you can see futures if you want to see only the money in your futures account. You can see sports if you want to see only the money in your sports account, and the different currencies you have that money, and of course you have funding. Now, if you want to trade futures, simply use the transfer button to transfer money from wherever it is to your futures. The same thing goes for sports. If you want to trade sports, transfer it to your sports. When you make profits, simply move that money to your funding account. Okay, now let's go back to the home. In the upper menu, you can see deposits. This is how you deposit crypto into your account. You can also see auto earn. Let's say you have money in your accounts that you're not using to trade. You can use it to earn interest on that money if you put it in auto earn. Then P2P, I believe you guys know what P2P is, but currently Weex does not have P2P if you are in Nigeria, but if you're in other countries, you can use the P2P. Then we have the WE launch. This is how to earn airdrop from Weex, and the process is really simple. All you need is to buy 1000 WXT. This is about $34, and just hold it in your account. You'll be qualified for this airdrop. The upcoming one is a chain guard, and you also have Jew chain, so you can qualify for this airdrop by simply just holding WXT in your account. To do that, it's simple. Go to trades, which is your sports. I have some USDT, so I want to trade WXT, which is the Weex coin, and I can buy some of them using my USDT. So let me buy more WXT. So let me buy with the rest of the money I have. So buy WXT. So if I go back to assets, you can see now that I have 7,676 WXT. However, to participate in the airdrop, I have to go back to WE launch. Then I'm going to go down. Then I'm going to go down and click on. I can commit to either of them. Okay, let me commit to chain guard. Click on commit. I simply click on commit now. So I have committed my WXT to here to qualify for the airdrop. This is taking place in 2 days from now. The next thing I want to show you is this. I've already showed you the trade section and how to take spot trades. What are the future settings? The first thing I will show you is simply how to set up here to trade. Now, if you look above, you see cross separated. I like to keep it in cross and separated because this settings helps me to do the stacking that I talked about. Okay, and I'll show you how that works as we go. For leverage, it is 400x. I still like to keep it at 400x because I know how to manage my risks properly even with the highest leverage. Then below it we have the limit order, the trade amount. The next settings you have to make it, you see where you have amount, beside it is USDT. Click on it, make sure that it is in that USDT, not BTC, not lots. And in USDT, do not select order by cost. This is order by cost. If you uncheck by cost, it is order by value. And what I trade with is order by value. So if you have done this setting, then you are good to go. We'll come back to here when we are ready to take a trade. Now I want to show you the 2 trades that I took of recent and the strategy that allowed me to take them. Now this is a Bitcoin trade. Okay, if you look at this, it's on the we're on the 4-hour time frame, and here we had a breakout structure. When you have a breakout structure, I expect the market to do this, retrace this way, then come down more. That's what I expect to happen. Okay, then we can now go down to the 1-hour time frame. If you look at this, we can see that there is a demand zone here that led to this breakout structure. So possibly we should have a movement upward, then downward, before going higher to where we're going to. Then finally coming down when we get to this particular spot. Mind you, I'm just looking at demand zones and supply zones. It's a supply zone, it's a supply zone, it's a supply zone. These are areas where the market can react from. So what I did is to draw this demand this way, this particular way. Then I went further to the 5 minutes time frame now to further refine this. If you then look at this, you can see that we can now refine this zone to this particular point on the 15 minutes time frame. And if you also look at this, we have a demand zone here. The one above is a supply zone, the one below is a demand zone. So what do I expect to happen? This market to retrace to this point. I actually did this on a YouTube. I explained this on a YouTube live. If you're watching on my lives, they're going to see it. I'm just going to close out the moving averages. This is what I expect to happen. We have this market get to this point, then it comes down this way and goes up to break it. So I simply went ahead and placed a short position from this particular place and take profit here. This is what I expect to happen. An entry here, exit here, then another entry when we get to this point, and we can now take this higher. In my own trade, I actually was around 6 hours. This one was around 6 hours. This one over here was 6. This one was 4 point something. It was actually 4.8 in the trade that I took. Now let's play this and see how it works. You can see the market went up and tapped into a zone, and eventually came to entry. So if you look at this trade, from when I entered this trade to when the trade was completed, took almost 2 days, 1 day, 20 hours. And this particular one, let me continue to play it. This one happened the same day. You can see these are the real trades we dropped in the channel, and it was a very profitable trade. And right now I am currently in this trade, as you can see here right now. So let's look at how to take a trade on Weex. Let's look at how to take a trade on Weex. So if you look at this is the current trade we have in the crypto channel. H bar is a short signal. And we also drop another one, which is an XRP trade. Okay, this one is tapped in already. But let's look at how to take this particular trade, which is HBAR. On my screen here, my laptop, I also have it here. So the idea is that the markets has already retraced down. So already retraced down this way. This market is going down. We expect a retracement into this zone and we go down. And you can see here that the risk reward ratio of this trade is 4.5. So if I reach $20 in this particular trade, if I lose, I'm going to lose the $20. But if I win, I'm going to win $90. Let me show you how to take this trade right now. So what we do is we can see that the entry is this is a HBAR trade. What we'll do is I'll open the FS crypto calculator. Okay, then you click on the crypto section. I'm in the crypto, this forex. Make sure you're in the crypto section. My capital $500. So let's say I'm risking $20. Let's start with $20. I'm risking $20 and I'm risking 100% of this $20. In other words, when I lose, I'm losing $20. If I win, I'm winning again $90. So entry price is 0.19503 and stop loss price is 0.19865. So my position size is 1078. This is where a lot of people make mistakes. So they think that when they say they want to risk $20, they just put $20 there and wonder what is happening and choose the wrong order. I've already shown you how to set up your account. What you then need is this position size. So copy it, then go to Weex. Let's place this trade on Weex. So on Weex, we're going to go to the futures section. Futures section, the trade we want to take is HBAR. Click on it. We're now in HBAR. So I want to raise my leverage to the highest. This 200, it doesn't matter. Now it's limit order. I'll select limit order, and where we have amount, again, make sure that it is in USDT and by cost is not selected. So we have amounts. I'm going to paste that price there. That's what I copied from the PS calculator, 1078. And my entry price is what I'll put here. My entry price is 0.19503. Then let's look at how this works. I want to take a short position. I'm going to enter my take profit and my stop loss. Let me click on advanced and enter it under advanced so you see. So we're taking a short position. My take profit is 0.17873. So you see that if this trade goes my way, Weex has written it there, what I'm going to make is $90. Now let's look at SL. Our SL is 0.19865. This simply shows that if this trade goes against me, I'm going to lose $20. You can see it clearly written here. If you use the position size calculator, the leverage does not matter. What matters is that you do this correctly. Once this is set, I'm going to click on open short because we're going short. So this trade now is in play. This is simply how you take trades on Weex. Now I'm going to end with stacking. Okay, how do you stack trades? Like I said, stacking is taking multiple trades with the same amount. Let me give you a hint of what I mean. So let's look at this. Let's say I enter this trade here with $20. I'm risking $20 in this particular trade. Of course, you know how to calculate the position size and everything. Okay, now once we have a break or structure here, all right, I can choose to pull my Fibonacci here and enter another trade here from this particular 6-2, okay, and enter another trade. Now when I do that, see what's going to happen. This one is going to give me a risk reward ratio of 5.55. When I do this, I'm going to bring my stop loss for this one now, this first trade. I'll put my stop loss here. You get? So in this case now, the initial $20 I'm risking in this particular trade is already protected. So even if this trade goes against me, I'm going to only lose the $20 I put in this one. This one is already safe. So Weex is going to record this trade separately and also record this trade separately. That's why I say you choose cross and you now choose separate. If it was other exchanges, you cannot do this. It's going to all scatter it. So you have learned this. The next thing you have to do is to follow the instruction in the description to take the signals that I drop almost every day in my group. And I'll see you when we start the $10,000 to Christmas trading challenge on Weex.